Hello everyone and welcome back to Rover. I am your host and today we are going to talk about a tool that millions of people use every day. Yet most people only use a tiny fraction of its power. I'm talking about Google Sheets. You might think it's just another spreadsheet application similar to Microsoft Excel. But Google Sheets has evolved into much more than that. It's a powerful cloud based platform that helps students, business owners, freelancers, accountants, teachers, and even content creators organize information, automate repetitive tasks, and collaborate with others from anywhere in the world. So, whether you have never opened Google Sheets before or you have used it only for simple lists, this episode will show you why learning Google Sheets could become one of the most powerful skills in your personal and professional life. Let's get started. What exactly is Google Sheets? Google Sheets is Google's free online spreadsheet application. Unlike traditional spreadsheet software installed on your computer, Google Sheets runs directly in your web browser. That means your files are automatically saved in the cloud through Google Drive. You don't have to worry about losing your work because your computer crashes or because you forgot to save your file. As long as you have internet access, your spreadsheet is available from your laptop, desktop, tablet, or smartphone. Why is Google Sheets so popular? There are several reasons. First, it's completely free for most users. Second, it is incredibly easy to share. Imagine working on the same spreadsheet with your classmates, co-workers, or clients all at the same time. Everyone can edit simultaneously without sending files back and forth. That's something businesses love because it saves time and avoids version confusion. Who uses Google Sheets? Almost everyone. Students use it for assignments, study schedules, and grade tracking. Teachers create attendance sheets and mark books. Small business owners manage inventory, expenses, and customer list. Freelancers track income and invoices. Accountants prepare financial reports. Project managers organize tasks. YouTubers plan video content. Families create monthly budgets. Even large companies use Google Sheets for reporting and collaboration. Things you can build with Google Sheets. Many people think spreadsheets are only for numbers. That's no longer true. Using Google Sheets, you can build budget trackers, invoice generators, employee attendance systems, inventory management systems, expense trackers, project management dashboards, sales reports, student grading systems, customer databases, booking systems, habit trackers, and content calendars. And that's only scratching the surface. Automation with Google Apps Script. Here's where Google Sheets becomes really exciting. Google Sheets supports a programming language called Google Apps Script. App scripts let you automate repetitive tasks. For example, you can automatically send emails, generate PDF invoices, create custom menus, import data from websites, connect with APIs, create approval systems, build complete web applications using Google Sheets as the database. Many businesses save hundreds of hours every year using AppScript automation. So what are the skills employers want? Learning Google Sheets isn't just about making tables. Many people now expect candidates to know spreadsheet skills. Some useful skills include using formulas, creating charts, sorting and filtering, pivot tables, conditional formatting, data validation, dashboard creation, automation, and reporting. These skills are useful in accounting, finance, marketing, administration, human resources, education, logistics, and many other careers. So, can you make money with Google Sheets? Absolutely. Thousands of freelancers earn money every month by offering Google Sheets services. Some create dashboards, others automate business processes, some build inventory systems, others sell spreadsheet templates online. You can even create digital products and sell them on marketplaces like Gumroad or your own websites. Businesses are constantly businesses are constantly looking for people who can save them time by organizing and automating their data. So what are the common beginner mistakes? If you are just getting started, avoid these common mistakes. Don't type everything manually if a formula can do it. Keep your data organized. Use proper column headers. Avoid merging cells unless absolutely necessary. Learn keyboard shortcuts. Name your sheets clearly. Backup important work. Start simple before trying advanced automation. So these are my learning advice. If you are serious about learning Google Sheets, don't just watch tutorials. Open your Google Sheets while you are learning. Pause the video. Try every example yourself. Build small projects. Practice every day. Even 15 minutes a day will make a huge difference after a few months. Learning by doing is always faster than learning by watching. So what's coming next? In future episodes, we'll explore topics like Google Sheets formulas every beginner should know, how to create professional dashboards, Google Apps Script for beginners, automating reports, building invoice generators, creating project management systems, and much more. Whether you are a student, freelancer, employee, or entrepreneur, these skills can make you work fast and more efficient. So that brings us to the end of today's episode. If you enjoyed this discussion and want to learn practical Google Sheet skills from beginner to advanced level, make sure to subscribe to Rover and turn on notifications. If you have any questions or suggestions for future episodes, leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for listening. Until next time, keep learning, keep building, and keep growing. See you in the next episode. Thank you very much.